How to fix SSL pending error on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the SSL pending error message you might see on Shopify after connecting your custom domain. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First off, let's talk about what this error actually means. When you see SSL pending next to your domain in Shopify, it simply means that Shopify is still in the process of setting up your SSL certificate. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it's the technology that ensures your website is secure and shows that little padlock icon next to your domain in the browser bar. Now, this is a completely normal step whenever you're connecting a new custom domain, especially if it's the first time you're doing it. In most cases, it can take up to 48 hours for the domain connection to be verified and for the SSL certificate to be issued. So, if you've just added or updated your domain, whether through Shopify directly or by connecting it from another registrar like Google Domains, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, the best thing you can do initially is just be patient. Give it some time. Most of the time, this issue resolves itself automatically without you having to do anything at all. Head over to your domain provider and make sure that your DNS records are entered correctly. For a custom domain to work smoothly with Shopify, the following DNS records should be in place. A record should point to Shopify's IP address, 23.227.38.65. CNAME record should point to shops.myshopify.com. These two records are essential. If either of these is incorrect or missing, Shopify won't be able to verify the domain, and your SSL certificate will remain in pending status. After verifying the DNS records, go back to your Shopify admin, click on Settings at the bottom left corner, then go to Domains, and check the status of your connected domain. If everything is set up properly, you should see SSL Pending. That's completely fine at this point. If more than 48 hours have passed, and you're still seeing SSL Pending, or if your domain is not loading at all, then it might be time to reach out for support. Here's how to contact Shopify support easily. Go to Google and type Shopify Live Chat Support. Click on the official Shopify help link, usually the first one. You'll be asked to log in to your Shopify account. The Shopify support team is pretty responsive and can check if there's any issue on their end or give you more detailed troubleshooting steps based on your account. That's it. I hope this video cleared up any confusion and helped you understand how to deal with the SSL pending error on Shopify. If it helped, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment if you still have any questions. I'm happy to help. That's all for the video.